Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Are you seeking a home away from the hustle and bustle of the city? Well, if your answer is yes, then this unfurnished 4 bedrooms, 3 bathroom house with living and dining area could be yours. This house is located on Happy Grove Road, Kingston 19, and the house sits on 15,854 square feet or 0.36 acre of land. Other features of this house includes helper's quarters, laundry area, ceramic tile, garden area, water tank, grilled, fully fenced, view of the mountain, family oriented, hillside, quiet area, and paved road. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 50 million or US $325,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please remember leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.